Look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts an engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the window, power, rear sliding seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.42 ratio, trailer brake controller, integrated, air cleaner, high-capacity, heavy-duty cooling package, heavy-duty, cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, heavy-duty air-to-oil, engine, Vortec 4.8L variable valve timing speed flex fuel, engine, Vortec 6.2L variable valve timing speed E85 compatible, flex fuel, wheels, 4/18 inches x 8. 45.7 cm x 20.3 cm, aluminum, emissions override, federal, emissions, Arizona, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Skid plate package, wheels, 417 x 7.5, 43.2 cm x 19.1 cm, 6-lug chrome-styled steel, tires, P265/65R 18 off-road, white outline letter, fog lamps, front, halogen, audio system, AM/FM stereo with MP3 compatible CD player, LPO, all-weather floor mats, ebony deep-ribbed rubber, LPO, under-seat storage. Composite storage bin under the rear seat, recovery hooks, front, chrome, LPO, assist steps, chrome tubular, 6 inches oval, Z71 appearance package, suspension package, off-road, trailering package, heavy-duty and the suspension package, handling trailering, heavy-duty. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.